Tankers and bullet trucks drivers have decided to carry out steering down strike following a meeting at the community hall in Sorok Atingbi Kuno in Jiribam today. The strike will continue until an agreement is reached between Kuki Women Union and government. Speaking on the sidelines of the meeting, a driver named Bike Ningombam said governments in both centre and state have failed to give assurance for safe passage of tanker and bullet trucks along National Highway 37. Tankers and bullet trucks were attacked by armed miscreants along this highway recently, and Kuki women stopped the movement of trucks that were heading to Imphal yesterday. Neither state forces nor central forces did not use any power to provide safe passage for the trucks. Beacon further maintained that the steering down strike will continue until governments in centre and state reach an agreement with Kuki Women Union.
Mamangi tang kulamdoi thamari de thokibo dotuna hai belambi sida nomai caption ba question ba togiba matung dogi sarkar ga yana ba mala matung yana ba gi chala khibine do hoji mu ngara mu chapa matamda hai belambi sida Kuki Women's Union gi nupi 15 kun mu thoga lambi sida singba pire maram maduna Manipur da security chapir ba ko singina thaduk pangandre Kuki Women Union amasung India lenga sinna to Manipur sarkar ga yana ba ma purtu ba phagudi hai belambi thai saring thaduk char hai ba khuni thamjero.
Meanwhile, the trucks carrying essential items departed from Imphal today under heavy security. It is said that a total of 74 freight trucks departed from Imphal this morning. CRPF convoy of 69 Battalion A Company escorted the trucks, which included 44 trucks carrying FCI products, 18 cement trucks, 5 trucks carrying fertilizer, 1 truck carrying biscuit, 3 trucks carrying plastic item, 2 trucks carrying car including other essential commodities. As per sources, no untoward incidents have been reported till the filing of this report. It is believed that the trucks will reach Imphal by tomorrow. Moreover, 101 loaded trucks and 46 LPG tankers are still stranded in Jiribam.